Ever wondered what happens to your food after you eat it? How does that delicious meal turn into energy? And eventually, poop? Today, we're going to take a fascinating journey through your digestive system. We'll follow a bite of food as it travels through your digestive tract, breaking it down step by step. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how your body processes food, extracts nutrients, and eliminates waste. Get ready to uncover the secrets of your gut. Are you ready to learn? Let's go! Before we continue, please subscribe to our channel. Now think of your digestive system as a fascinating, intricate machine. It's responsible for breaking down the food you eat. This process transforms your meals into energy and nutrients. Your body needs this energy and these nutrients to thrive. The digestive system is a complex system of organs. It works tirelessly from the moment you take a bite until the final waste product is eliminated. But what really happens between the time you take that first bite and the moment your body gets rid of the waste? Let's break it down, step by step. Section 1. The digestive process. Step 1. The mouth, where it all begins. This is where digestion kicks off. The mouth is not just for tasting and enjoying food, it plays a crucial role in breaking it down. Chewing is the first step. Your teeth are like tiny machines working tirelessly to grind the food into smaller pieces. Your teeth break down the food into smaller, more manageable pieces. This mechanical breakdown is essential for the next stages of digestion. Saliva, produced by your salivary glands, plays a crucial role. These glands are located in various parts of your mouth and are always ready to spring into action. It moistens the food, making it easier to swallow. Saliva also contains enzymes that are vital for breaking down food. These enzymes initiate the breakdown of carbohydrates. They start working the moment food enters your mouth, breaking down complex molecules into simpler ones. Imagine taking a bite of a juicy apple. Your teeth immediately get to work, breaking it down into smaller, more manageable pieces. Your teeth work their magic, crunching the apple into smaller bits. This mechanical action is crucial for making the food easier to digest. Saliva mixes with the apple pieces, starting the digestive process. The enzymes in the saliva begin to break down the carbohydrates in the apple. The tongue comes into play next. It's not just a tool for tasting. It's a vital part of the digestive process. It helps mix the food with saliva, ensuring that every bit of food is coated with these important digestive enzymes. It also forms the chewed food into a ball called a bolus. This bolus is easier to swallow and is the perfect size for the next stage of digestion. The bolus is then ready to be swallowed. This marks the end of the mouth's role in digestion and the beginning of the next phase. This is where the esophagus comes in. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach, and it's responsible for moving the bolus down to the stomach for further digestion. Step 2. The esophagus. It is a muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. It acts as a transportation highway for the bolus. Muscles in the esophagus contract in a wave-like motion. This motion is called peristalsis. Peristalsis propels the food downward. Think of a tube of toothpaste. When you squeeze the tube, the toothpaste moves up. Peristalsis works similarly, pushing the bolus down the esophagus. Gravity also assists in this process. However, peristalsis is strong enough to move food to your stomach. It does this even if you're upside down. Step 3. The stomach. A J-shaped organ is where the real action happens. The stomach is a muscular bag. It churns and mixes the food with gastric juices. Think of it as a powerful blender. These juices contain hydrochloric acid and enzymes. These break down food into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. Hydrochloric acid is very acidic. It's so strong it could dissolve metal. Don't worry though. The lining of your stomach is designed to protect itself from this powerful acid. The stomach also plays a role in killing harmful bacteria. This is due to the acidic environment created by the gastric juices. The stomach is an amazing organ. It plays a vital role in digestion. Step 4. The small intestine nutrient absorption central. After spending some time in the stomach, the chyme moves into the small intestine. This is where most of the nutrient absorption takes place. The small intestine is a long coiled tube. It's about 20 feet long. The small intestine is lined with tiny finger-like projections called villi. Villi increase the surface area for absorption. This allows for maximum nutrient uptake. The pancreas and liver also play crucial roles in this stage. The pancreas releases enzymes into the small intestine. These enzymes further break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The liver produces bile. Bile is stored in the gallbladder and helps digest fats. Step 5. The large intestine water absorption and waste formation. Once the nutrients are absorbed, the remaining material enters the large intestine. It's also known as the colon. The large intestine is shorter and wider than the small intestine. It's about 5 feet long. The large intestine's primary function is to absorb water and electrolytes from the indigestible food matter. This process helps solidify the waste products. The large intestine also houses trillions of bacteria. These bacteria make up your gut microbiota. They play a crucial role in digestion and overall health. Step 6. The rectum and anus, the final destination: waste elimination. The final stage of the digestive process is the elimination of waste products. The remaining waste, now in the form of feces, is stored in the rectum. The rectum is the final section of the large intestine. When the rectum is full, it triggers the urge to defecate. The anal sphincter, a muscular ring, controls the release of feces from the body. And that's it. The incredible journey of food through your digestive system, from a single bite to waste elimination, is complete. Now let's talk about the gut's microbial community, a hidden world. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microorganisms. These make up your gut microbiota. This complex ecosystem plays a vital role in your overall health. These microbes help break down food that your body can't digest on its own. They also produce essential vitamins, such as vitamin K and some B vitamins. The gut microbiota also helps train your immune system. It protects you from harmful pathogens. A healthy gut microbiota is essential for overall well-being. Section 2. Fun facts about your digestive system. Here are some fun facts about your digestive system. Your stomach can hold about 1.5 liters of food and liquid. This means that when you enjoy a meal, your stomach has the capacity to store a significant amount of what you consume. That's about the size of a small soda bottle. Imagine fitting all that food and drink into a container that size. The muscles in your esophagus are so strong that food can reach your stomach even if you're standing on your head. These muscles work in a coordinated manner to push the food down, defying gravity. You produce about 1.5 liters of saliva each day. Saliva plays a crucial role in breaking down food and keeping your mouth moist. That's enough to fill a large water bottle. This constant production of saliva helps in the initial stages of digestion. The entire digestive tract, from mouth to anus, is about 30 feet long. This extensive system ensures that nutrients are absorbed efficiently as food travels through it. These fun facts highlight the incredible capabilities of your digestive system. It's fascinating to think about how each part of the system works together seamlessly. It's a remarkable system that works tirelessly to keep you healthy. From breaking down food to absorbing nutrients and expelling waste, your digestive system is always at work, ensuring your body gets what it needs to function optimally. Section 3. Keeping your gut happy: tips for a healthy digestive system. A healthy digestive system is the cornerstone of overall health and well-being. It ensures that your body absorbs the nutrients it needs to function properly and keeps your immune system strong. Maintaining a healthy digestive system is crucial for overall well-being. It affects everything from your energy levels to your mood and even your skin health. A well-functioning digestive system can help prevent various health issues, including bloating, constipation, and more serious conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Here are some tips to keep your gut happy. Eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet provides your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. This includes a variety of foods from all the food groups: fruits, vegetables, proteins, grains, and dairy. Include plenty of fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Fiber helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly by adding bulk to your stool and promoting regular bowel movements. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for digestion as it helps break down food so that your body can absorb the nutrients. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Manage stress. Stress can negatively impact digestion. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, which can slow down or even halt digestion. This can lead to issues like indigestion, bloating, and stomach pain. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise or meditation. Regular physical activity can help reduce stress and improve your digestive health. Activities like yoga and meditation can also promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is crucial for your body to repair and rejuvenate itself. Poor sleep can disrupt your digestive system and lead to issues like constipation and acid reflux. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. Mindful eating can help you avoid overeating and make better food choices. It also allows you to enjoy your food more and improve your digestion. By following these tips, you can support your digestive health and enjoy optimal well-being. A healthy digestive system can lead to a happier, healthier life. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your digestive health. And there you have it, an incredible journey from food to poop. Your digestive system is a complex but efficient machine, working hard to keep you energized and healthy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might enjoy learning about digestion, and hit that subscribe button for more wellness tips from Wellness Galore. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.